Hi, you art lovers out there. Today I want to share a very simple tip on how we can get fullness in a tree canopy. So come along with me and let's see what can help us in that area. A method that can help us have fullness in our trees would be to think of trees as broken up into clusters of large, medium, and small size domes. Think of the entire tree, first of all, as a dome, and that dome will have a light side, a medium side, and a shadow side, even though we can see light breaking through various areas. But if we think of it in the dome form, it will make it simpler for us. So the whole tree has a light, middle, and dark shadow. We also want to recognize with the tree that it has medium-sized domes, such as that section of the tree is a medium-sized dome and another medium-sized dome. And when we think of it in that way, we still want to have a light side, a middle side, a shadow side. But we have to go to the next size of domes as well. Let's realize that there are smaller dome clusters. I'll get rid of the medium ones. Here's a dome cluster. I'm only showing you a few. Here is a dome. Here is a dome cluster. So if we think of it in that way, again, each one of those must have a light side, a medium side, and a dark side. If we think in this manner, we can have more fullness in the total overall tree. So one more time. Oh, and don't forget that there's the trunk of the tree that has a cylinder that has a light side, a medium side, a dark side. And think of all of the branches that go out, the bigger branches, as little cylinders that have a light, a medium, a dark side. The tree has a big dome that we want to have a sense of roundness. But in that big dome are medium-sized leaf clusters that become domes. And inside the medium size are the small clusters that are domes that catch the light, the medium, the dark. We'll have a much fuller tree if we envision it that way. Try not to do leaf after leaf after leaf, but do them in shapes, groupings that will give us that light, that medium, that dark. So there you have it. Now we don't want it to look like it's a dome shape. We still want to paint irregularity in that canopy. The dome concept is to help us to remember how we can give the values to light, the middle, the shadow tones to get fullness. Hope that works for you. Give it a try. I'll see you the next time.